folks, Cameron Hansen here with Lean Strategies International LLC with another great tip for you this week. One that you guys will be excited about that's finally been released on our iPhones. So this is one we've been waiting for a long time, and just a disclaimer before we get started, you need to make sure that if you're going to use this tip that you've updated your phone to the latest version of iOS. So let's jump right in. This week, we're going to learn how to mark our messages unread. That's right, unread messages. How cool is that? We can read a message and mark it unread and come back to it and respond later. So let's go down to our iPhone. Now, I'm using an iPhone 11 in this video, but all the iPhones with the latest iOS should be okay with this. So we'll open up our text message here. And once you have your text message open on the screen, then you can find whatever message you want. And as you know, when you select your message, if you swipe to the left, you'll have two notifications, the trash can or also the mute notification, where you can turn off notifications and mute any further incoming messages. But now, when you're on the latest iOS, if you swipe to the right, you'll see this blue message bubble. And if you click on that, you'll see that now your message is marked unread. So a cool little trick that you can use to create a Kanban for you to come back and have a trigger to know which messages to respond to. This is really exciting because we've been waiting for this for a long time on iPhones, and now we've finally got it. So update to the latest version of iOS, and you can mark your messages unread on your iPhone now. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and we'll see you next time right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.